The first question is, what was the main objective of different kind of school? Aditi Ahlawat will give me the answer. Aditi Ahlawat, are you there? Are you present in the class, Aditi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give your answer. What was the main objective to open the school a different kind?
Ma'am, Miss B.
Yes, speak. You have only 2 minutes time to speak your answer. Otherwise, you will get 0 marks.
Ma'am, Miss B.
Yes, Miss Bean. It means that you are not completing your work, and also you are not understanding the chapter, and you are not bothering about it. Okay, this question is for Ankit Singh. Ankit Singh, give your answer. Give your answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the real aim of the different kind of school was to not teach for the thoughtfulness or teaching the kindness for others and being a responsible citizen.
Okay, very good, Ankit, very good. Okay, next question. Why the narrator was interested to visit the different kind of school? Vivek, give your answer. Vivek, if you are speaking, please keep a little far your mic. Keep a little far your mic. थोड़ा अपना दूर रखो अपना mic. अब बोलो. अब बोलो विवेक. Okay. What was the reason? Why did the narrator wanted to visit the different kind of school?
Because this is the different school
In what?
in his city.
In his
city.
No. Ishita Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the answer.
Ma'am, because he was very hard about the school.
He had heard many things about this school. What kind of things? Kindly tell one thing only. Only one thing you have to tell. Only one.
Ma'am, that they not teach only addition, multiplication. They teach something else.
Yes. Okay. Amandeep Yadav, can you give the answer of this question? Nobody is going to give me the answer. Let me tell you. There was a different... Silent. Nobody is going to tell me now. Listen. There was a different curriculum of that school. The syllabus was different. They were not teaching the children the normal subjects. Okay? Next question. What was the curriculum of the school? It means what to be taught those children in that school. Arpit Joshi will give me the answer.
dumb day, ma'am, death day, and blind day, and that helps the children to be kind citizen, thoughtful, and a very responsible citizen.
Okay, good. Ishita Pandey, can you give this answer properly? If you will give, you will get the 5 marks. Yes, it is Ishita. Tell your answer.
Ma'am, the Miss will teach addition, multiplication, and writing, and about the lamp day, about the lamp day, blind day, etc.
Okay, very good. Very good. This is the answer actually. Okay, so class, listen the answer also. That in that school, the students were being taught about multiplication, subtraction, addition, multiplication, and the lessons were being taught with the help of the stories. Did you understand? With the help of the stories and the discussion about the experiments, discussion about the natural phenomena. Okay, this was the main curriculum of that school. Okay, next question. Who was the first? Whom did the narrator meet first when he visited the different kind of school? Whom did the narrator meet first when he reached to the different kind of school? This question is for Aditya Dubey.
He met.
Yes. Speak, beta, speak.
He met a girl of about 12 years. Her eyes were covered with a bandage and she was being led carefully between the flower bed by a little boy.
Okay, very good answer, very nice answer. Okay, next question. Was that girl really blind? If yes or if not, why he was covering the eyes? Anshika will give me the answer. Anshika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the girl was not blind, ma'am. As per the schedule, that day was her blind day, so she was just following her day.
Okay, very good. Just she was performing the duty of that day. Okay, next question is for Kunal Kushwaha. Okay, now Kunal, kindly tell me what was the reason behind to make the children blind, lame, one-handed or whatever. What was the reason behind to make the children like this? Kunal Kushwaha, are you listening me? Kindly reply. Kunal? Kunal, are you listening? I think Kunal is sleeping. Okay. Dhana Lakshmi. Dhana Lakshmi. Dhana Lakshmi will give me the answer. Kunal Kushwaha and Dhana Lakshmi. Nobody is giving the answer, they will get 0 marks. Simple. Okay. Dipanshu will give me the answer, otherwise you will also get 0 marks. Wait. Dipanshu Patel. 0 marks. Okay. Anushka Singh. Anushka Singh. Give your answer. Anushka. Anushka, are you not present? Anushka is also not giving the answer. 0 marks. Ayush Kumar Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
Give your answer, beta.
Ma'am, the purpose of this special day was to give the children possibly a taste of misfortune and learn to help the needy, the society, such tender medium system.
Yes, very good. Very nice answer, dear. Very nice. Okay, next question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is, what was the name of the gardener? Ritesh Singh. Ritesh Singh. What was the name of the gardener? What was the name of the gardener? Ritesh. Ritesh Singh. You are not giving the answer. You will get 0 marks. Listen class, 13 students I have told the name, and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 children have given me the answer. Only 6 children have got the 5 marks. Others, rest of the children got 0 marks only. Yes? अभी तक जितने लोगों ने दिया है मैं उनकी बात कर रही हूँ प्रीति. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will tell your name. Okay? Don't worry. Okay. Next question is, what I have told the next question?
Ma'am, that what was the name of the gardener?
Okay, what was the name of the gardener? Anshika. Sorry, not Anshika.
Yes,
Sorry, you have taken the chance. Ananya Singh.
And teacher.
What was the name?
Ma'am, gardener name was Peter.
Gardener name was?
Peter.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next question. It was Peter. Okay. Next question. What was the name of the head girl of that school? Naman will give me the answer. Naman. और दिन नमन खूब बोलता है, आज नमन नहीं बोलेगा. नमन सोच रहा है कि अरे मैं तो नंबर कम पा जाऊंगा. और दिन चिल्ला चिल्ला कर पूरी क्लास को धमाका मचाया. Naman is not giving the answer. Sarush. Sharush. Shiva Kumar Sen. No one is giving the answer. I am repeating the question. Who was the head girl? Who was the head girl of that school? No, 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 again. No, I will ask the name. This is your oral test, beta. This is your oral test. Okay? Tanmay Gupta. Tanmay Gupta. तुषार त्यागी. प्रिंस पाल. No one is giving the answer. Very nice. Very good. Yes, what? Prince, speak. Prince, speak again. Head girl name was? Okay, okay, good. Prince has given me the answer. Okay. Next question. This question is for Preeti. What do you think is the hardest day? Preeti? Dump day was the hardest day. Okay. Why?
Ma'am, because the dump day is the hardest day because that day the children don't have to speak anything.
Okay. But it couldn't be the harder than the blind day, I think. What was the reason behind told by Miss Bean to the narrator? What was the reason?
Ma'am, the blind day is the hardest day because that we cannot speak in that day.
Yes. But how the dump day is more difficult than the blind day? How it was? Reason.
Ma'am, reason is that the children cannot speak and our mouth will not open.
You are not able to give me the answer, Preeti, properly. Who will give me the answer of this question? Ankit. Ankit, tell the answer. Wait, Ankit will give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am, the dump day is very hard than blind day because we have to be blind. मैम उसको क्या कहते हैं कपड़े को बंद लग रहा है
Bandage, my dear, bandage.
A bandage in our eyes, but on the dump day we have to have a willpower. Have a willpower we do not to speak. So the many children say that we have to be a willpower to do be in the dump day.
Yes, very good answer, Ankit. You have tried very well. Clapping for you, Ankit. Very good. Listen, class. This was the correct answer. That dump day is more difficult than the blind day because it demands a lot of willpower. There was no bandage on the mouth. On the blind day it was bandage, but on the dump day there was no bandage on the mouth. But they don't have to speak because they, in spite they were asked not to speak, and they will have a lot of willpower and strength not to speak. So this was the more difficult than the blind day. Okay. So which one was the enjoyable day? For which day was the full of enjoy for the children? This is the next question. This question is for Aditi Ailawat. Again, I am giving you one chance. If you are able to give the answer, you will get 5 marks again.
Ma'am, dumb day was more difficult.
No, I have asked that which day was the full of enjoy for the children. It means which day was referred as the fun day for the children.
Ma'am, blind day.
No, wrong. Aditya Dubey, if you will give the answer, you will get 5 marks.
Ma'am, lame day.
Yes, it was lame day, because if your one leg is tired and one leg you have to walk here and there, so you will hop, just like that. It was a fun for the children. Okay, very good. Okay, next question. What was told by the blind girl about the school to the narrator? She has told a lot of things. Okay, she told a lot of things, but you have to tell me only one thing. Okay, who is going to tell me? Naman, will you give the answer?
Ma'am, dumb day was hardest day.
मोस्ट भी लगाओगे, हार्डेस्ट भी लगाओगे, हार्डेस्ट लगाओ केवल. Okay, this was told by the girl to the narrator. Okay, Ritesh, can you give the answer of this question? Any one thing you have to tell. Any one.
Ma'am, what is the question?
What was told by the blind girl to the narrator? Okay, you have to tell about one thing. उसने तो बहुत सारी बातें करी ना नरेटर के साथ, लेकिन उसमें से आपको सिर्फ एक बात बतानी है ब्लाइंड गर्ल की. Sarish Pandey will give the answer. Sarish Pandey. Sarush will give the answer. Wait. Tanmay Gupta will give me the answer. Wait. Tanmay Gupta will give me the answer. Duffers are always duffers. Okay. Sorry. Preeti, can you give the answer? Preeti, can you give the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Give.
Ma'am, the doctor took the narrator. Ma'am, the narrator said to the girl that you will the practice in your ma'am that he doctor.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, the narrator asked that he wore the blue colored skirt and said loud that girl said that I think she is late, and he asked the color of her hair. Then she said light color, so she said that she is late, the title of the school.
Okay, very good, Preeti, very good. Okay, now Preeti Padma got 5 marks. It is the time for Ansh. Ansh Singh, who is Ansh Singh? Sorry, Anushka Singh. Anushka Singh. Okay. Anushka, can you give me the answer of this question? That. Listening? Are you listening, Anushka? Listen to me.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to tell me that what the boy was doing with the blind girl. What the boy was doing with the blind girl.
The boy was doing blind girl. He was talking about our school.
Speak again, Anushka. Speak again, beta. I am not able to listen you.
The boy was talking with the girl about high school.
Speak again, beta. Keep try. Okay. Naman, can you give me the answer? Naman, tell your answer. Naman. Naman, your voice is not clear. Speak again.
Mama, the boy who was about